The intent of AirCollab is to be able to address all the needs of collaboration, to be able to exchange documents, to be able to have e-meetings, to share planning. For example, we have already some companies using AirCollab for trainings. Why? Because they are developing all the training materials with external companies, so they need to share the training materials. We are also using it in finance, because finance people need to share documents with the external audit companies, so they need to have some collaboration means. Of course, purchasing, design, programs are using it, but this is open and this is already used by all the functions of our companies.
Within the industrial direction, we are now using AirCollab with all our communities. It means that we have to deal with hundreds of meetings and thousands of documents. That is the reason why we needed a platform, collaborative platforms to speak and to manage all our meetings and all our documents. All our activities within the industrial direction have moved to AirCollab.
The development of AirCollab is in fact a long story. The founders who work together in order to define this solution, and really there were a definition of the solution, design and build, and the participation of all the stakeholders in the definition of the system has been a key factor for the success of the platform.
We had already a solution like this because the cost of ownership was very high, and this was the reason why we needed to have one common solution. So the status of AirCollab deployment after 2 years of deployment is already quite impressive. We are above 3,000 users. We are above 400 companies registered. We have more than 120 different projects up and running, ensuring the collaboration of all our industry. Well, there are a lot of business benefits, but I will focus on 3 of them, which for me are the main ones. First one is the cost of ownership. To have a solution open to the outside but secured is very, very expensive. With AirCollab, you don't need to do all this investment, all this study. It is open and secure from the very beginning. Also, the cost of usage is very attractive because we are benefiting from the fact that we are already a very big community using that solution.
Moreover, AirCollab has been designed as a SaaS solution, software as a service, at a time where cloud computing was not so popular as today. This approach is a key factor in the design of the solution, and we can say that together with all the partners, we have invented, in fact, a collaborative cloud.
As it is an aerospace project, it is secured by the founders. Okay, EADS, Airbus, Dassault, Safran and Thales. They are in charge of managing the security of the platform, which is a huge, tremendous advantage for GIFAS.
AirCollab is in fact creating a circle of trust, and so we need to have someone which is a trusted partner, someone we know already, which is close to our industry. Clearly, Thales is one of the best in class for critical IT systems.
The Thales service has been involved at the early beginning of the definition of a solution, and that has been key in being in a position to design and build a system which has been thought not only to deliver the service, but to operate the service finally.
Second benefit is the return of experience.
Some templates for the project are permanently developed, created in order to make the life of a user easier.
So we can provide to all our industry best of breed templates to support that collaboration. And we are developing new templates, several each year. And the third one is the high acceptance. It's difficult to push a solution to partners when this solution is specific. Here, Aircolab is already very well known to the community.
The ramp-up of a solution, more than 3,000 users, which is a very good sign of appropriation of a solution by the community.
If someone, an employee from EADS, for example, has already access to Aircolab for EADS projects, we only have to put him in a list, and then he has got access to our community as we want. So it's very flexible and very easy to manage.
The future of Aircolab is first of all to continue to increase the deployment of Aircolab in our European industry.
The platform will continue to evolve in order to bring value for all the users.
We are very eager to have a lot of companies joining us to make it the solution of our industry, so more industrial, more professional association, more agencies, and we are very confident that several of them will join us very soon.